Today I installed the Just Case 2. Whenever I try to launch the game, it shows white screen and crash. To fix this problem, open File Explorer and go to this PC C drive, Program Files x86, open NVIDIA Corporation, open the FreeSex folder, open Common, right click on this code 32 underscore 65.dll and copy. Right click on the game and select open file location. Find code .dll, right click and select delete option. Right click on the blank area and paste the file we copied. Right click rename. Backspace all these letter. Make it as code.dll and press enter. And now you can able to launch the game without having any problem. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.